Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm. Now it's time to relax. Just like a cool breeze, not like a tornado. I need you to be the cool breeze to go with the flow because you've done everything that you've been asked to do at this moment. Now it's time to go with the flow. And the calm before the storm is the blessings, the storm of blessings and waterfall is coming your way. So there's no reason to be anxious, anxiety, filled, have any type of panic attacks and worry on how, because we're not worried about the how. We're not worried about the when. We just make sure that we put in the right work every single day. And now since you put in the right work, just relax. Let Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ do their part. But there's no reason to be anxious along the waiting time, during the waiting period. Don't stress yourself out for something that you're going to win with. And you haven't reached the finish line. You just have to wait on God's timing, and it's on its way. It's perfect timing. You're in the right place, right time. I breathe, live, and grow with the light within me. I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. I cast off doubts. All fear dissipates and I become a peaceful being. Fear fears you. Doubt, there's no reason that you should have doubt because you already know that you're a genius and you have checked every I, dotted every I, crossed every T. You know things you always win. So be calm, continue to do your wonderful works, but chill. Don't worry. Your breakthrough's on the way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.